Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the SQL Server service is running and you have appropriate permissions. Next, choose the backup type, full for complete state, differential to save changes, or log for point-in-time recovery. Then, select the destination, local drive, network share, or cloud URL. Once done, open SQL Server Management Studio or connect via SQL CMD so you can run a backup database command or use the GUI wizard to create the backup job now. Now execute the backup. In SSMS, right-click the database, choose Tasks then Backup, set type, destination, and options like compression. Click OK to run. Alternatively, run TSQL, backup database your DB to disk equals C, /backups/ your DB. Back with compression init. This is repeatable and scriptable. For production, schedule via SQL Server Agent jobs or a PowerShell script to run at off-peak times, and make sure retention and encryption options match your recovery. Finish by validating the backup. Run restore verifiably or include checksum during backup so you detect corruption early. Then copy backups offsite and update retention and documentation so restores are reliable. Make a test restore to a separate server to confirm procedures. If something fails, check disk space, file system permissions, SQL Server error log, and network path accessibility first. These are the usual culprits. Once you fix the root cause, rerun the backup and confirm verification succeeds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.